Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Infoblox DNS Security, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with Infoblox DNS Security, ensure you have proper access to the Infoblox platform. Log into your Infoblox Grid Manager using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the DNS Security tab on the dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of your DNS security settings. To configure prevention measures against DNS threats, click on the DNS Firewall option. Enable the DNS Firewall feature if it is not already activated. Next, you will need to define your security policies. Click on Policies in the DNS Firewall section. Select Add Policy to create a new policy. In the policy settings, specify the name and description for the policy. Set up the conditions under which the policy will apply. You can choose based on source IP, destination zone, or specific domains. After defining the conditions, establish the action for the policy. You can select options such as allow, deny, or log. Once all settings are configured, save the new policy. Now, move to the Threat Intelligence section for additional protection options. Choose the relevant feeds based on your organization's needs. After selecting the threat feeds, enable them to enhance your DNS security posture. Next, return to the DNS security dashboard to monitor active threats. The dashboard provides visibility into blocked threats and policy violations. Regularly review this information to ensure your security measures are effective. Consider configuring notifications for critical events to stay informed. Set up alerting by navigating to the Notifications section within the platform. You can customize alerts for various scenarios, including policy violations and system changes. Lastly, conduct periodic reviews of your DNS security settings to adapt to evolving threats. By following these steps, you will significantly enhance your organization's DNS security with Infoblox. Ensure that you keep your system updated with the latest threat intelligence for ongoing protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.